Let's make bagel chapli kebab sandwiches. We will be making these cheeseburger patties with a flavor of South Asia, which will make this cheeseburger patty a chapli kebab. Let's get into it. Let's make this delicious chapli kebab bagel sandwiches. My name is Mair, you're watching Mair Hungry YouTube channel. For this recipe, this can be a breakfast recipe or this can be a regular snack recipe, but it's delicious. It's all from ready-made ingredients except the patties, the chapli patties, which we'll be making from the scratch from the ground beef. This is 1 pound of it. We have bagels, we have some avocado, guacamole, right? And we have tzatziki sauce. This is organic from USDA. 85 and 15. Meat is right here. Let's take 1 medium-sized onion. Food processor, 1 onion into small cubes, add it in here. Let's take garlic, 5 to 6 cloves of garlic, 4 to 5 green chilies. Okay, let's add the ginger, 10 grams of fresh ginger in here. This is what it is. Let's process this. Alright, look at this beauty. This is done. Here you go. All of it. Add it on top. Scoop it out from your hand. This is the easiest chapli kebab patties you can ever make. Let's take some dry herbs. Coriander crushed. Take 2 tablespoons of it. Black pepper. We'll take 1 tablespoon of it. This is cumin crushed. 1 tablespoon. Kashmiri chili powder. This one has less spice touch to it and more flavor. We will do half tablespoon of the salt. Let's take cornstarch, 2 tablespoons on top. If your patties, the chapli kebab patties are right to the point, trust me, your whole sandwich will skyrocket. We will do a mixing, but first let's turn on our cast iron pan. We'll take oil. So we will shallow fry these chapli kebabs. All these ingredients are important for this chapli kebab. So here you go. Just mix it. And it's finally mixed. Whole 1 pound of the ground beef is been chapli seasoned. Let it rest for at least a couple minutes. This is a big boy bagel chapli kebab sandwich. So for the 1 pound, just slice it from the center. This will be 1 patty roughly right now, okay? And this will be the second. Look at this. Patty done. Easy from the hand. This is half pound of the chapli kebab ground beef. Look at this. And here you go. Put it at 350 degrees. Shallow fry it. Leave at least 3 minutes each side initially. 'You should land your patties once your temperature of the cast iron pan is above 350. Why? Because we need this initial crust. Six minutes are in. Let's do the temperature check. I'm pretty sure we have to put like a couple more minutes. These are thick patties, half pounded. If it reaches above 165, we are good. Right now it's not getting there. And we'll check this guy. No. So we have to wait, I guess, a couple minutes more on each side. On this, the crust is yum and it's on the point. All together it's been 10 minutes. Okay, this is good to go. This is good to go as well. Let's take medium cheddar. Yum, yum, yum. Let's take these guys out. Put it in a separate lid. Yummy. Perfect. Let's get rid of this oil now. Delicious Chapli Kabab patties are completely done. Bagel, let's toast it. So these bagels are hearty grains and seeds, and this is what I'm talking about. Yeah. So this is the base. Here you go. 2 bases are here. Turn off the stove. Now we have to build our chapli kebab. Definitely use tzatziki sauce. So it has cucumbers. Wow, look at this. It has cucumber, it has jalapeno, it has garlic. So let's put this as a base. Here's our spring mix. So we are building our delicious sandwich. Chapli kebab. Look at this. Yum. It goes here. This is so juicy. Look at the juices. And here we go. Let's make it extra perfect, okay? And for more yum flavor, we'll take real mayo. Imagine this delicious sandwich. Once of a lifetime sandwich. If you make it, you'll be happy forever. And it's done. And it's done. This is the taste test. Oh my god, I'm so excited, happy for this thing. And that's how you can have your breakfast. It's still hot. Whoa, look at this, all the way. Still hot. Yum. Here you go. It's a big boy sandwich, man. And it's gonna be a messy too. The whole patty moves with it. Look at the cheese. It hits you at the spot. Guacamole, mayo, cheese. Man, this is a big sandwich. It will make you full at least for 12 hours, straightforward. All the flavors I told you from the easy herbs, they are in here. It's all fresh, it's all homemade. That's the best thing. I'll see you on the next one. Subscribe, join, hit the bell icon so you know when I post a video. Let's do a hungry man bite now. This is how you should make your bagel chapli kebab sandwiches. Half pound of the chapli kebab in there, guacamole, wow, tzatziki, wow, and mayo, wow, and cheddar cheese, wow, and a chapli kebab, wow.